Revelasyon ng concert producer, hindi daw kasal si Pia kay Francis M. Usap-usapan ng pasabog na pagsisiwalat ni Robby Tariosa tungkol sa mag-asawang Francis Magalona at Pia Magalona. Si Robby Tariosa ay concert producer ni Francis M. na madalas makakwentuhan noong nabubuhay pa ito. Ayon sa kanyang Facebook post nitong October 21, sinasabi niyang hindi umano kasal ang biyuda na si Francis M. sa kanya dahil kasal ito sa ibang lalaki na may apelyidong Lim. May anak daw sila na nagngangalang Nicolo at Yuna. Hindi raw kasi legal ang diborsyo sa Pilipinas, kaya hindi pa raw napawalang bisa ang kasal ni Pia sa sinasabing asawa nito. Wala kasi tayong divorce sa Pilipinas, but even with kasal, ang tanong, was Kiko married to Pia? No, she was married to another guy, with last name Lim, and they had a son, Nicolo, and daughter Yuna, who many of us knew this. Pia, wag ka magpabiktima. Grabe ka. No one broke up your marriage, dear. You were never married in the Philippines. Okay mga palangga na mga magaganda at pogi. Here is my Francis Magalona story. I met Francis through Larry Scott, my album producer then in 1992. We ran into Francis at recording studio owned by Jose Marie Gonzalez, father of both Ana Margarita Gonzalez and Cristina Gonzalez Romualdez. Right away, Kiko and I hit it off. He always went out of his way to say hi to me. A few years later, my ex and I started producing major concerts in the Philippines and Japan in 1999. If I'm not mistaken, we produced a concert tour for Kiko. Unfortunately, it wasn't a profitable tour and Kiko knew it. This is why he said to me, "Rob, part of the construction of my house in Cottonwood High subdivision in Antipolo was from you. I will always be grateful for your help." So life went on and we rarely saw each other. But when we did, super kwentuhan kami for hours. Francis loved me and showed it every time we got together. May utang na loob yun. So fast forward to 2007. If I'm not mistaken, I ran into Kiko in Makati. He looked so fresh and glowing. We talked a little about his marijuana possession case, then he invited me to go smoke cigars somewhere on Wilson Green Hills. Sa isang inuman daw nila ay naikwento ni Francis sa kanya na hiwalay na sila ni Pia at may ibang babae nang nagpapatibok sa kanyang puso. Hindi na raw nakaya ni Francis ang ugali ni Pia kaya humantong sila sa hiwalayan. Hindi ako humihit-hit ng tabako ngunit nakipag-inuman pa rin ako sa kanya. Sinabi sa akin ni Francis na tapos na siya kay Pia at iniwan siya. Sabi niya sa akin hindi na niya kaya. Lahat ng away at bugbugan nila, yung ugali daw ni Pia nakakasira ng utak. Sinabi niya na mayroon na siyang kapayapaan ngayon. A few months later, nagkita ulit kami at binanggit niya na may kasama siyang ibang babae na totally opposite sa ugali ni Pia. He's stressed. Ang sarap pala ng ganitong real love Robski. Yeah, he called me Robski lol. Pang gangster ko yon. Nagkausap kami ni Francis and I vowed to keep everything between us. I never had a chance to meet this girl na minahal niya ng sobra. Baka balang araw pareho ko silang mahal na anak ni Francis. Yes, love child because she was conceived by real love. Gusto ni Francis na malaman ng mundo ang tungkol sa kanya. Sigurado akong ginagawa na niya ngayon. Kaya para sa lahat na mapanghusgang tao na hindi alam ang totoong kwento ni Francis at Pia ay naghiwalay na bago siya pumasok sa kamanghamanghang relasyon na ito. He deserved to experience real love at least once in his lifetime. Kilala ko silang dalawa ni Pia at Francis. Nasaksihan ko ang madugong away nila. Napaka-destructive at dysfunctional.